I am basically running short of time, so let's do this. First thing first, the name Floyd, and secondly, he's the most controversial intellectual in Indian politics, and thirdly, a statement which could really trigger the intellectual morons of Lutyens zone. Okay, so here Mr. Shashi Tharoor, what he's saying now. Shashi Tharoor says Ramayana and Mahabharata should be taught in our schools. Let's see the content. Well, let me tell you, this post is all about, we all know, नफरत पाप से करनी चाहिए, पापी से नहीं. So exactly, now I completely understand the context in which it was said. He says, it's 2 days after Manmohan Vaid, the head of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh Communication Department, dated for revamping the education system based on the ethos and history of our nation. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor on Sunday expressed his thoughts in the same ravine. Tharoor was participating in a session on Remembering the Tsar at the ongoing Jaipur Literature Festival. In response to a question from the audience, the Congress MP expressed his desire for changes in the education system to include the Indian civilizational aspects. Please. The British wanted to colonize the Indian mind. Whatever education was brought to India that was to further strengthen the world and colonize our behavior. Well, as a fact of the matter, we all know the British education system was all about not letting us know the actual history and the actual heritage of our nation, which is thousands and thousands years old. It is sad that even after 70 years, though we study Shakespeare, we have not been teaching Kalidasa to our children. Tharoor said, exactly. I remember I was having some discussion with some liberal retard, and he said the famous, Kalidasa is the Shakespeare of India. Really, man, really? You should be saying Shakespeare is the Kalidasa of England. That's all. It explains all. I am very much in favor of having Ramayana and Mahabharata taught in our school. This should be seen as enriching our education system with our cultural heritage and imparting the true ethos. Alright? Tharoor, however, expressed his disapproval on injecting a particular political ideology into the education system and contended that only the civilizational aspect should be introduced in our textbooks. Well, Shashi Tharoor, a big salute upon you. Salute level is absolutely the Maserati which can be spotted in the streets of Kochi. A big salute upon thee for this, and now I understand. I still hate some of your views, but for this, I absolutely respect you. This is awesome, man.